You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this German name. If you're after more names from the history of Germany, world wars as well, make sure to stay tuned. Nicknamed the Angel of Death. German pronunciation: Josef, yes, not Joseph, Josef Mengele, Josef Mengele, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.